ப்ரோ கேக்குதா? ப்ரோ ட்ரேடிங் வித் தேவடியா பசங்க ப்ரோ ரூ. 6,000 ப்ரோ பிரீமியம் ஒரு மாசத்துக்கு. ரூ. 6,000 ப்ரோ மனசே 6,000 ஓவா போட்டு வேற என்ன பண்றது? ப்ரோ 24 ப்ரோ. ம இல்ல ப்ரோ மறந்துட்டேன் ப்ரோ. யாருமே ஞாபகப்படுத்த ஆள் இல்ல ப்ரோ. கேட்கட்டும், கேட்கட்டும். தப்பா எதுவும் பேசலையே. உண்மைய தான் சொன்னேன். 6,000 சின்ன காசு இல்லைல. ஸ்ட்ரீம் மட்டும் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி விட்டேன். Hello guys, welcome to the stream. Hope you are all doing good. And AM session was so good. I was not able to trade the AM session. But let's see if we find some setups around the lunch session and the PM session. This could be an extended stream. Let's see like how long we can last. And for me, previous days, just looking at the daily charts, I'll just wait for some more time and let people come in, and then I'll just go with my daily outlook for the trading window. Most probably I'll not trade, but let's see. Let's see. If we get something, we just try to trade. So I guess we'll just start our outlook. And this is the monthly chart. New month has opened today. So we had a tiny wick. We are not sure, or we will not be able to tell that this is the low of the month. But for me, just looking at, I mean, in broader terms, for me, just looking at the monthly chart, I can tell that price is going there. And I wish it could go there simply because I'm expecting a bullish close for this particular week, but we don't know. Just for getting started, I'm expecting the previous month's highs just because we had a closure above the April's highs of May. We had a closure of April's highs in May, and the next candle I'm expecting a bullish candle. And for me, the higher time frame bias would be this in ES. That's the same with YM. I mean NQ. Sorry. So I'm expecting all these relative equal highs in monthly time frame. I'm expecting the previous month's highs here. Sorry, I'm getting a call. Okay, so nothing much. So for this present month, my initial draw for the month would be like previous month's highs. In weekly time frame, it's the previous week's low, and also we'll just remove all the lines. And here, just looking at the weekly time frame, you'll be able to tell that price is taking support around this weekly down close candle, which we'll consider it as an order block. And this week, I mean, this wick is kind of huge. So for the initial narrative, I'll just consider the 50% of the wick, or else first 25% here, another 25% right there. In daily, Daily, the price of highs has been swept. In daily, the highs has been swept. In ES, it's not yet swept, but still, since ES is taking support around the daily order block, I guess price wants to go to the highs. And what else do I see? I see nothing much. So just the moves has been missed. So we should be trading the PM session volatility what price gave right now. No SMT, nothing. Just for a reference sake, price has swept the previous day's high. Buy sell liquidity. We'll consider this as the previous day's highs. And that's my initial draw. I mean, it has been swept, but I expect price to take support around those levels, and then maybe we could reach all these levels. The smooth relative equal highs, I can sense that. The next draw for me would be this. I- So that would be my draw. If price still wants to continue higher, that would be my draw. But the highs has been swept. To consider one thing is that there is an SMT with ES as well. The previous day's highs has not been swept in ES. The highs has been swept with NQ. So that could be our potential SMT. But the displacement is kind of huge. And also we have another liquidity pool pending right here. Just considering the dealing range from highs to lows, around 50% we had this liquidity pool right here. That's my OT. So just around 50% we have this liquidity pool. That's also higher time frames in efficiency. So now I am refining my target to this particular highs. For our we have another FEG pending, the sell side draw. So I have clean bullish draws in price. I would like to have So I would like to have my previous buy side and sell side liquidity. Even though it is taken, I would like to have them in my charts. And for our refugees here, I'm expecting this draw as well. We have cleanly balanced everything. Next liquidity pool would be this, along with this being relative equal highs. So I'll expect higher prices from here. If there is no displacement at all, then I'll be very cautious because this is PM session, no volatility, nothing. I guess Powell is gonna speak. டேய் லைவ்ல இருக்கேன்டா. ஒரு மணிக்கா ப்ரோ? Okay. So we have Powell speaking around 1 p.m. Let's see if we get a good setups before so that we can trade that volatility. Let's see. But as of now, we have SMT, I guess, for the lows. Yep. We have this SMT for the buy side. We have this SMT at the lows buy side here. Price started slowly pushing higher. So nothing much. There is no clean manipulation. Also, there is no SMT. So we'll just have to wait. And price is above the new week opening gap. Event horizon is at the extreme of this dealing range from these highs to these lows. And we have I mean, we have an NMOG here that seems to be uh, not letting price go higher, but the liquidity pools higher side is very clean. So, yeah, we'll just have to wait for some sort of manipulation. We need a 15-minute or 30-minute candles liquidity pool to be swept. We have our M15s FEG right now. So if price comes to those FEG and then goes higher, I'll be very confident with the buys because that's our dealing range from these lows to these highs. 50% we have an engineered liquidity here. Also, we have SMT at these lows. We have SMT at these lows with PS. So if you can see it right here. Now we should be waiting for more liquidity pools to be created. And you can see that price is rejecting around the previous buy side. I mean, the previous day's highs. So that's a good sign. Let's see if we get another SMT at the lows, and then we look for some displacement, and then we'll target all these buy side targets. That's the plan today. So I'm expecting price to come to these lows first, do some sort of SMT displacement, and then buys. This is my plan. This is my plan. Manipulation update. Manipulation would be clean bow, a liquidity swept, and the next side we have a displacement, and that we'll consider that as a uh, manipulation. So far, so good. So far, so good. இல்ல, இல்ல. பிஎம் செஷன்ல பார்ப்போம். பொறும பொறும எப்படி வேலை செய்யுதுன்னு பார்ப்போம். சுத்தமா பொறும இல்ல. பிஎம் செஷன் உட்காந்து பொறுமையா பார்த்துக்க வேண்டியதுதான். இந்த ஒரு வாரத்துக்கு. அவன் எங்க வாய திறக்க போறான் போட்டேன். திறக்க மாட்டான் வாய. ப்ரோ ஒய்எம்ல சூப்பரா சேல்ஸ் ப்ரோ. நானா செல் எடுத்திருப்பேன் ப்ரோ. ப்ரோ செல்லு தான் பைஸ் எல்லாம் வாய்ப்பே இல்ல ப்ரோ. செல்லு தான் எடுத்திருப்பேன் நானு. கன்ஃபார்ம் எடுத்திருப்பேன். பைய நான் எடுக்க மாட்டேன். செல்லு தான் எடுத்திருப்பேன். கண்டிப்பா செல் எடுத்திருப்பேன். என்விடியாவோட என்விடியாவோட எல்லாமே இருந்துச்சு. அதனால கண்டிப்பா செல் எடுத்திருப்பேன். செல் ஏன் செல்லுனா என்விடியாவோட 941 கேண்டில் பாருங்க. ஆ இஎஸோட 941 ஐ மீன் என்கியோட 941 கேண்டில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும் ஏன்னு. பக்காவா இருந்துச்சு சேல்ஸ். பைஸ் எடுத்திருக்கவே மாட்டேன். பைஸ் எனக்கு பயம் பயம் குடுத்துருக்கும். பைஸ் எடுத்திருக்க மாட்டேன். ஆமா பார்த்தேன். ஜாலி. எல்லாரும் எல்லாம் பேங்க் பண்ணிட்டீங்க விட்டுட்டு. ம். சேல்ஸ் வாஸ் பெர்ஃபெக்ட் செட்டப் ப்ரோ. ம். ம். ச்சீ! இப்படி என்னைய ட்ரேட் எடுக்க விட்டோமோ! பண்ணிருச்சு. ச்சீ! அவ்வளோதான் 10:30க்கு தான் மறுபடியும் 30 அடுத்து 30 தான் செட்டப். அது வரைக்கும் பேசாம உட்கார வேண்டியது. அடுத்து 30 செட்டப் இல்லன்னா அடுத்து 1 மணி செட்டப். ம். கைஸ் இஃப் யூ ஹேவ் ப்ரோ நோ ஒன் கால்ட் யூ ப்ரோ. Bro, Gokul is see Gokul what he is doing, bro. Ah, he's trolling you, bro. Jamu, what Jamu? Trimmer வாங்கி தரானா? Dave. Guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Only because like this time being very late in India, so I had to bring all these people. If you have any doubts, please ask me. I'll try to clear. ப்ரோ இது நெவர் எண்டிங் ப்ராசஸ் ப்ரோ. அடுத்து என் வீடியோ என் சேனல்ல போட்டிருக்க எல்லா வீடியோவுமே பாருங்க ப்ரோ. அடுத்து எல்லா வீடியோவும் பாருங்க. என் சேனல்ல போட்டிருக்க எல்லா வீடியோவும் பாருங்க. முக்கியமா அந்த ட்ரேட் பிரேக் டவுன்ஸ் அப்புறம் இந்த ட்ரேட் வாக் த்ரூன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இப்போ ரீசென்ட்டா போட ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணியிருப்பேன். அந்த வீடியோஸையும் கொஞ்சம் பாருங்க. ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். ஸோ சீம்ஸ் லைக் வி ஆர் புஷிங் a year without any manipulation. So if price and also if you see price is stuck between all these gaps, so it's 50% as well. And if there is some good rejection from here, if price sweeps, then I'll try to sell until these levels. These levels. I'll try to trade 1:1. Nvidia is pushing higher, guys. Nvidia is pushing higher. Nvidia is about to take the present day's highs, which was set around 938, and after that we have liquidity pools at 139.63 levels. I don't know if price would go there today, but I guess after AM session, Nvidia's SMT is not that powerful with NQIS. Let's see. Let's see. Stocks are bullish. Stocks are very bullish. If there is a manipulation lower, I'll take a buys. There is no manipulation, so no criteria has been met yet. I'll plan to stay around for if there is no trades at all. I'll plan to stay around the lunch. I mean the last macro, end of the day macro. This is gonna be a long stream, I guess. If I get stopped out early, that would be the end of the stream. No, 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 no. Mondays are very high probability. You've seen, bro. You've seen, bro. Public man, have doubts on who. Guys, if you have any doubts, you can please ask me, bro. Make please. If you want to say something, please leave. Not my live. This is CFT's live. No people are ours. Who knows? No. We have an SMT with Nvidia for now at this size. NQ bias. I'm looking at longs for now, bro. Monthly I'm bullish. Weekly I'm bullish. Weekly I'm not that bullish. Monthly I'm kind of bullish. Right now I'm looking at buys, bro. Buys. If there is some major SMT with some ES and NQ, I look for sales. I have some clear targets here, the OT of this range. But I missed all these beautiful sales. This was good buys, no? No, no. There is no SMT, nothing. Buys not so clean. But the sales was super clean, bro. Bro, it gave lot of entries, bro. You could have banked today with these sales. For sure, these lows has been. I mean that is gonna be taken out. You could have added here. I mean that's my L model. I would have added here. I mean I'm just telling you the opportunities where you could have capitalized all these sales. You could have entered at these. That's the other entry. We have an SMT here. That's your other entry. You have another refugee here, and that's your other entry. See, we got a lot of entries today. So you could have completely pyramid. This one trade would have been enough for the whole week. But yeah, okay, great. You can see that price is manipulating. SMT, I told you there was an SMT with, I mean, what? No, buys only. No, I told there was an SMT with these highs with Nvidia. Bro, very good sales, bro. Good sales around 1 is to 2. But yeah, the lows has been taken out. Yes, the lows has been taken out. Let's see if there is something. Arey yaar, there is an SMT, bro, now. No. Good, bro. நோ ப்ரோ. எனக்கு இந்த மேனிபுலேஷன் பத்தாது ப்ரோ. அதனால தான் நான் பெருசா கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் டீப்பர் மேனிபுலேஷன் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்றேன். மேபி இந்த லோஸ்க்கு இல்லனா இங்க ஏதாச்சும். நான் இங்க இருந்தே போனா கூட நான் வாங்க மாட்டேன். ம். If you want something, ask here, bro. You can't like I don't share my contacts. If you want something, you can ask in our Discord or even here. Yeah. Saw, saw. I saw. ம். அப்படியா? அப்ப சரி சந்தோஷம். Guys, I'll turn this audio on. Nvidia சூப்பரா வேலை செஞ்சுச்சுல்ல அந்த இடத்துல சேல்ஸுக்கு. ஈஸியா டப்புன்னு.
இல்ல.
ம்.
ஆமா. வாய்ஸ் கேட்கல. ரைட்.
ஓ ப்ரோ.
இல்ல நம்ம பேசுறது கேட்கல.
இப்ப கேட்கும்.
கொடூரமான Nvidia. இப்ப கேக்குது.
கொடூரமான Nvidia சேல்ஸ். ப்ரோ இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் டீப்பா ரீட்ரேஸ் ஆனா நல்லா இருக்கும். ஏன்னா ஸ்டக் ஆயிருச்சு பிரைஸ் அப்படியே. Anything else, guys? If you have doubts, you can ask. Uh, go to my YouTube channel, Dr. Matrix. I'll not be able to share the link here, which is this is a public forum. I'll not be able to share link here. Go to my YouTube channel, which is Dr. Matrix, and there in the description you can find my. That link says it's expired. So please wait. I'll try to do something. Okay.
கடைசி யூடியூப்
அ
வீடியோல
அது
இருக்கும்ல.
என்ன இடம்னு தெரியல ப்ரோ. எல்லாரும் எக்ஸ்பயர் தான் ப்ரோ போடுறாங்க. Bro, not immediate buys, bro. I need sales, bro. Ah, relative equal lows. There is no clean SMT also. Shit, bro. Shit, bro. Yaar. That was the plan, but the lows could have been swept even better or cleaner. Yeah. We have news. We have news. Powell speaking. Powell Tata speaking. Price is stuck right now. If you see, price is consolidating within 11 AM's 15-minute candles range. So we'll have some good price action. Not now, not immediately, but very soon, I guess. Okay. I can see some selling pressure in Nvidia. Not clean. No signatures for me to consider buys or even sells. Nothing. Price is consolidating. If you can see, price is consolidating. We had an initial consolidation. Price expanded as a result of this SMT around 10:30. We had also this order block, and then again now price is consolidating. My idea is buys. I can take some risk here, but I don't feel comfortable taking risk. At least around here, the targets are clean, pretty clean. All these, but I don't have enough range to play with. That's the problem. So I guess now we have inverse this FPG. Okay, the FPG has been inversed. I don't have enough range to play with. It's not even like proper 2 hour. We'll have to wait.
உள்ள ஜூம் இன் பண்ணியிருக்கறனால பெரிய கேண்டில் மாதிரி தெரியுது. இட்ஸ்
அதேதான்.
டூ ஸ்மால்.
Two small candles to play with. See, it's coming around 1 NQ, no range, 10 point SL. Nothing clean, guys. We'll have to wait. We'll go look at some other pass income. What? Ah, gold has. Bro, gold buy was so good, bro. At 9:30. Mick, you didn't take no
It took NQ today.
NQ today. Yeah. Aha. Crude oil is also clean today. Today was Monday, no?
Yeah, bro.
Too much consolidation, guys. GG, GG.
மேபி 130க்கு மேல பெட்டரா இருக்கும்.
Okay, GG. Nvidia is breaking lower. Nvidia is breaking lower. Nice. We have an SMT. We have an SMT. This is not an invitation to sell. This is no invitation to sell. No invitation to buy. Just price is stuck within this
Invitation for
range.
stop loss.
Hmm? Invitation for your stop
Invitation
loss.
for
Yes. Yeah. Price is dipping into the 30 seconds FG. No reaction, nothing, guys. We are about to form an Murder FPG. Right now, I'm still looking at buys. Price is not at enough premium to short. Price is not at enough discount to buy. So we just sit simply. See, we have an SMT. No, we don't. We have an SMT with YM, but ICT has thought about this model. Extremes sell, extremes buy. But when we try to trade these extremes, we'll get fucked up badly. So better we don't do any stunts. Yeah. Nothing, bro. There is nothing to trade right now. We need a manipulation. ப்ரோ பேக் டெஸ்ட் நான் பெருசா பண்ணதில்ல ப்ரோ. பேக் டெஸ்ட் பண்றது எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு வேஸ்ட்டுன்னு தான் தோணும். ஏன்னா அங்க எமோஷன்ஸே இருக்காது ப்ரோ. லைவ் மணி ஆர் எல்ஸ் வந்து ஏதோ ஒரு ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் அந்த அந்த பிஎன்எல் ஃப்ளக்சுவேஷன்ஸ் இருந்தா தான் அந்த இடத்துல வந்து கொஞ்சம் எமோஷன்ஸ் இருக்கும். பேக் டெஸ்ட் பண்றது எனக்கு கேட்டா வேஸ்ட் தான். இப்போ மாடல் தெரியாத வரைக்கும் பண்ணலாம். யாராச்சும் பக்கத்துல இருந்து உங்களுக்கு மாடல் சொல்லி குடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா, அதுக்கப்புறம் பேக் டெஸ்ட் பண்றதெல்லாம் வேஸ்ட். யாராச்சும் ஒரு தாள் யூஸ் பண்ற மாடல வந்து ப்ராப்பரா ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க. ப்ராப்பரா ஃபாலோ பண்ணி ஐ மீன் நான் உங்கள வந்து லைவ் ட்ரேட் எடுக்க சொல்லல. சொல்றேன். லைக் வந்து ஏதோ எவால்ஸோ, டெமோவோ ஏதோ உங்களால அஃபோர்ட் பண்ண முடிஞ்சத வந்து பண்ணி ஜேர்னல் பண்ணுங்க. அதுவே மோர் தென் எனஃப். 20 more minutes until Paul Tata speaks. Mm. 40 minutes into the live, I guess. No trade set. Nothing. See again, range extreme, sell. Okay, we have an SMT with Nvidia now. If we got stuck at all these conditions, no, it will like literally kill our all the gains. Complete gains will be lost if we got stuck at all these consolidations. AM session is kind of, I mean, Asia is kind of better than the PM session. Let's see. Let's wait for macro at least. Macro. So these lows are very smooth to my liking, guys. These lows are very smooth to my liking.
So
Low hanging fruit.
Low hanging fruit. Yes, sir. These eyes are even very smooth to my liking. What I expect is a manipulation at Powell's speech and then buys.
at low hanging fruit.
What?
Keep it hanging, bro.
Now they're ready, sir.
What?
Be professional, Mick.
Bro, please, bro, please, bro. Please stay professional, guys.
So
So
what the fuck are you do?
I'll
IT down.
I'll mark my opens 8:30
So you're open.
today open. It's all here. Yeah, we are at deep. We are in very very good premium. Okay, spooling has started from here. 30 seconds entry. Spooling started, and that would have been a good trade. Oh, cap, cap. Those who are profitable trading PM session, like I bow down to them, guys. Very, very, very tough. 8:30 ஓப்பன் வந்து நம்ம டைம் வைஸ் பிரீமியம்ல இருக்குமா, டிஸ்கவுண்ட்ல இருக்குமான்னு பார்க்கறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணணும். இப்ப நீங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, 8:30 விட பிரைஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப தள்ளி இருக்கு. ஸோ பிரைஸ் வந்துட்டு டைம் வைஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப பிரீமியம்ல இருக்கு. அதனால வந்து நம்ம 8:30 அண்ட் 2 டே ஓப்பன வந்துட்டு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஈக்குலிபிரியம்னா என்னன்னு ஷார்ட்டா சொல்லுங்க. ஈக்குலிபிரியம்ன்றது நம்மளோட டீலிங் ரேஞ்ச் ஒரு ஹைஸ்க்கும், லோஸ்க்கும் நடுவுல இருக்க மிட் பாயிண்ட் தான் வந்து நம்ம டீலிங் ரேஞ்சுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Wow, the lows has been swept, guys. Right now, if there is a good reaction, I'll look for buys. The lows has been swept. Clean. SMT with Nvidia. There is no SMT with ES, bro, for the sells. Nvidia sells, I mean, the sell SMT has been very clean. Okay. If there is some good reaction, I'll go for some buys. I don't trust this low yet. I want some displacement. There is no
50 minute
FEG.
FPG. OB tap on.
OBயும் டேப் ஆகணும். பிரைஸ் இட் would be good if the என் வாக் வேற இருக்கு நியூ வீக் ஓப்பனிங் ஆப் அதையும் டேப் பண்ணாவும் நல்லா தான் இருக்கும். I want a bit more sell side.
No, it's washed. Section washed.
Hmm?
It's washed by section. Completely in the center. Nothing to pay.
Yeah. But still price is moving. No, we can look for something. Some 10-15 handles and be done for the day.
The 15 handles are going to pay you. So
Hmm?
you need at least 500 handles.
Cha. Okay, I guess that's the lows. SMT is there, but there is no FEG, guys. There is no FEG. Okay, we are seeing some volume imbalance. Aha. We are seeing some volume imbalance. Volume imbalance, OB, SMT, everything is there. Hey, yeah, just wait. It's flying, bro. That can't be trusted because we had a NVOG at the lows. Let's see if there is this 1 minute FEG is forming. If there is a retracement into that FEG, I'll consider buys.
How much long life?
What?
How much long is our life?
I don't know.
Asking for a friend.
Okay. I mean, my live,
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe until Paul Tata speaks.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ
I don't like this, guys. I don't like this. I mean, the fact that we reacted quite aggressively from this FPG, I don't like it. Okay, I guess if there is a close here above, SMT, is there an SMT? No, there is no SMT. There is no closure. There is no closure. Okay, we are breaking lower. Okay, we are breaking lower. Mhm. But these highs are very clean to be ignored.
No, bro. Oh no.
Okay, we have sequential SMT.
We have reputation of
Sequential
PTO.
SMT.
We have SMT at these lows. Bro, ES has already taken BSL, but I have some pending targets to those eyes, bro. I don't touch these eyes. Sequential SMT failed very badly, guys. Oh, prices has a lot
Price
of
very high
consolidation.
ஆகுது, but price chop ஆகுது
Sharp.
ரொம்ப.
Okay, sequential SMT working.
ரீச் ஆயிட்டு
Sequential SMT,
அக்யூமுலேட்
guys.
பண்ணுவோம்ல, அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு.
Okay, I'm going for one-on-one.
Caller. Order filled.
Okay, I bought here. My stop loss is here. I'm going for a one-on-one. I mean, a 1 hour trade. We have our Lauda model here. So I'll go for a 1 hour trade.
Order filled.
Okay, I've closed one. I'm putting one more to break even. I'm letting it right. I'm done with the trade. It's a tiny scalp. It's a tiny scalp. 1 hour has been met. It's not reached here, but the 1 hour has been met. It's more than 1 hour, so 1 hour has been met. I am done. I was looking for buys after the sell side. It's taken, and I'm just having one more contract. That's exactly at break even. I'll see if it wants to go to the highs here. 1 hour and not even full risk. 1 hour and not full risk. I just wanted to see how this price action behaves. 1 hour and not at not full risk. 250. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. I'm looking at all these draw and these draws right here. I'll possibly close it here. I'll possibly close it here. Good start to the week. It's clearly planned trade. I'll try to record this if possible. I mean, the trade has been missed, but I just go through. I mean, see, I told you I was expecting these lows taken out, and then I was expecting to these size. I mean, price to these size. It has been went. I took a 1 hour trade because there was not enough range to play. That's it, guys. I'm letting price to run to these size. or else break even. Clean. That SMT was clean. Study sequential SMT, guys.
நீ யார் பண்றானே
Keep studying, bro.
Ah, GG, good live stream.
Nice, bro.
Nice stream.
நியூஸ் எடுத்தியா
Bicep.
Nice, guys.
நைஸ் நைஸ்
Fast
நைஸ்
போயிட்டான் நியூஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி.
முன்னாடி அதேதான்.
1 o'clock ப்ரோ நியூஸ்
ஆமா ப்ரோ 1 o'clock 4 minutes.
கர்த்தரே என்ன சொன்ன? என்ன சொன்னா?
இல்லையா?
கர்த்தரே என்னமோ சொன்ன மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு
யார்
bro.
எதுவும் சொல்லலை
This is the position so far, guys. This is the position. I thought of going with 1NQ, but I don't know, something stopped me. That's it. At the 30 seconds close I bought, it was the same L model. My SL was at these lows. I closed 4 MNQs right here. Guys, can guys, can I get W on the chat?
Bro,
Guys, wanna be someone, guys. Can I get W on the stream?
same W yesterday. I'm one of those questions.
What?
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, sir. Clean, guys, clean. This is where our bias plays an important role. Like, be very sure about the bias. I mean, very sure about the bias. At not bias, at least like where price is going next.
Yeah.
This is the reason, guys. At least be sure about where price is going next.
We enter when it's stop loss 8.
Would have gone a bit harder, but that's completely fine, considering this session is not
Anku is
my
not getting hard, bro.
this session is not my cup of tea. Okay, Paul uncle has started speaking, most probably. I use Profums, bro. I use Profums. Profums. Let's see I'll keep trailing my I mean once the highs are taken, I'll start trailing my stop loss. Very tiny. Oh, let's go, Powell uncle. Let's go, Powell uncle. Okay. I'm closing it here,
Order
guys.
filled.
See, Paul uncle did something, guys. I closed my trade here. Beautiful, beautiful trade. And done. Yes, sir. Beautiful day in the stream, GG. I'm very, very, very happy about my management here. My risk could have been a bit better, but considering uh this has been so long since I did a PM session trade. Very good trade. So yes, hope you learned something insightful from the trade, guys. And until next time, stay safe. Bye bye.